In today's video, I'll guide you on how you could upload your resume in LinkedIn. So let's get started. So first, you want to go into linkedin.com and log in into your account. Once you're here, click on the Me profile icon right here on the top. And now you want to go into settings and privacy. Once you're here, you want to go into data privacy. And then scroll down until you see the job seeking preferences and go into job application settings. Now in here, just wait for it to load. And now this is where you can share your resume data with recruiters. So this is where you can upload your resume. So click here on upload resume and then just simply go and select the file. Recommended is a document file or a PDF right here. And then the recommended size would be 5 megabytes. So take note of the size. So if you would need to shrink it down, then you would need to go into Google and then go for file shrinker right there, and then you should now be able to see some compressed website right here for your files. So make sure to use them and so that it would fit this requirement right here. So yeah, all you have to do now is to upload it here and make sure to turn this on right here so that you'd now be able to share your resume with the recruiters. So that's it on how you'd be able to upload your resume in LinkedIn. Thank you for watching.